soft G, hard G. The letter G is a consonant. It has a soft G sound and a hard G sound. The sound the letter G makes will depend on the letter that follows. The general rule is that if the letter G is followed by the letters E, I, or Y, then it will make the J sound. Some examples are gentle, giant, energy, gym, angel, digital. It's important to remember that there are always exceptions. For example, girl, get, give. These are followed by the letters I and E, however, they make the hard G sound. Hard G. The general rule for the hard G is that if the letter G is followed by the letters A, O, or U, or any other letter excluding E, I, or Y, then it will make the G sound. For example, gate, agonizing, gossip, glass, angle, gum. Also, if the letter G comes at the end of the word, then it will make the hard G sound. For example, big, hug. Finally, it's important to remember that some words can have a silent letter G. For example, night, design, high. To avoid confusion, try to learn these rules and then look at some common exceptions. Now you try. Pause the video here and identify if these examples contain a soft G or a hard G.